Hello and welcome to another episode on AI in sales. Now, in this episode, we are going to be looking at how to use ChaGPT to brainstorm content ideas. Okay, so in our last video, we discussed a particular formula that we can use as our prompt guide. Okay, and now we are going to apply that formula to brainstorm content ideas using ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT is free to use. The ChatGPT 3.5 is free to use, and you can access it by typing chat.openai.com. Now, remember the formula we talked about in the last episode, the CSIR formula. Okay, so now we are going to apply it in this video and use it to develop content ideas for our business. Okay, so let's assume that you are a content creator and most of your content is all about motivating people, on a daily basis, just motivational, sharing motivational quotes, and you want to use ChatGPT to help you generate content ideas that you want to post on your Facebook account. Okay, so now using the formula that I gave you as a guide, the CSIR formula, where C stands for context, S stands for specific information, I stands for intent, and R stands for the response format. Okay, now for context, let's just put number one. To use ChatGPT for using that particular guide, formula guide, prompt guide, just type number one, period. You're going to type the context. Now, in this scenario, the context is I'm a success motivational content creator. Next, we are going to give the specific information, okay, which stands for S. Now, in this scenario, the specific information is going to be I'm trying to develop weekly contents to share on my Facebook page. And the third one, which is the intent. Okay, so in this scenario, the intent will be can you develop 10 success motivational content ideas for my Facebook page. Now the response format, we want it as a list. So the number 4, which is the response format, we're going to write make it into a list. Make them into a list. All right, so now this is our prompt. When if you are using your laptop to go to the next line, make sure you hold the shift key and enter, otherwise it will just send number 1 immediately. So now we have 4 of this formula here. The next thing we have to do is let's send it to ChatGPT and see what it's going to give us. Okay guys, so this is the result of that prompt. Okay, so now we have 10 success motivational content ideas. If you read them, you are going to see that is sharing tips on what the ideas, giving us ideas on what we can post on our Facebook page, and there are 10 of them. Okay, so let me just write add 10 more. Okay, I'll just write add 10 more so that it will be 20. So this artificial intelligence, this AI, the machine is intelligent enough to know what it wrote and where it stopped. So once I just say add 10 more, it already knows that I'm asking it to extend on its previous work. So it is actually adding more. The power of persistence, motivational book club, start a weekly book club where you recommend So in fact, these are great content ideas for people who are into sharing motivational quotes. All right, so now we have up to 20 content ideas for our Facebook page. Now, like I say, you can be creative with ChatGPT, with the AI machines. You can be creative with them. Okay, so now we have content ideas. We're going to command it or give it another prompt to use the above listed content ideas and create 30 different appealing success motivational quotes for our Facebook page. Okay, so it's giving us the ideas. We want it to now use those ideas and actually create the content for us. So I'm going to type using the above listed content ideas. Can you create 30 different and appealing success motivational quotes for my Facebook page? Okay, so that is it. We're going to now wait for it to generate 30 different content motivational quotes now. Okay, so now these are the actual motivational quotes, and the first one says success is not just about reaching the destination, it's about embracing the journey with determination and purpose. Okay, so number 5 says the only limits that exist are the ones you place upon yourself. Believe in your potential and success will be limitless. In fact, this is in fact with this, as someone who posts content, as a content creator, you can never run out of content that you need to post on your channels. All right, so now we have this, which is great. You can post this on your Facebook page, you can post it on your Twitter account. Okay, you can add it to images to make it look more lively. You can add it to images and share it as motivational images and all that across your social media channels. Okay, so now this is it. This is how you use AI to brainstorm content ideas and actually use it to also command it to generate the content you need from it. Okay, I hope this video is simple enough to understand. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and I will see you in the next episode.